Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. Guys, I apologize in advance for my voice. I'm trying to get over a cold, but I wanted to come out and do this amazing paper product deal for you guys. As you can see, the yellow signs and the sign there, I am at Dollar General. So make sure that you have your Dollar General apps downloaded, because that's the only thing that we're going to need to do this deal. Get a pencil and paper so you can take notes. Take some screenshots with your phone. If you have not subscribed to my channel on YouTube, go ahead and hit that subscription button and then hit the bell right next to it so you get notified every time I put out a new video. If you're watching me on Facebook, hit the follow button. That way you will get a notification when I put up a new video so you can run and do the deals too. So guys, I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to turn my camera around so that we can jump right into the deals. So the first item that I'm going to grab is going to be these here Bounty paper towels. It's the 6 = 12 double rolls. And those are actually $9.50. But I want to pull them up here because I want to scan it and show you guys what we're going to do and how it comes up in the app. Okay, so they're $9.50. And by the way, guys, this deal that I'm going to show you, there's a whole bunch of ways that you could do this deal. It just depends on what products you're in need of or what digital coupons you have. So I'm just going to show you the deal that I'm going to do that's best for me, what my family needs, okay? Okay, so here you see those Bounty paper towels are $9.50. When you scan this product into your app, you're either going to have a $3 off Bounty coupon that pops up for $6 for 6 count or larger, or you might have the $2 Bounty coupon that pops up. Some people have 3, some people have 2. I have the 3. But then there's also this $8 coupon. When you spend $30 on P&G products, you're going to get an $8 back on your next purchase. Now, I don't want you guys to get confused. That $8 coupon is not going to print on the bottom of your receipt. What's going to happen is it's going to be automatically loaded into your back office, or, well, I shouldn't say back office. I should say your Dollar General account when you reach that $30 threshold. Then you also will see this $5 off coupon when you spend $25 on P&G paper products. So that is actually what we're going to do. We're going to get our total up to $25 so that we can take advantage of that coupon. And you can use this coupon along with this coupon, because this $3 coupon, or if you have the other coupon, or even if you have the 50-cent off coupon, those are manufacturer coupons. This coupon right here, where you get the $8 back for spending $30, that's a Dollar General digital coupon. And the $5 off when you spend the $25 on P&G paper products is a Dollar General coupon. So you can combine a store coupon along with a manufacturer coupon and you'll be absolutely okay. Now, I'm going to show you guys a little trick. So I am at a old system store. I'm not at a store with a new system. If you are at a store with an old system, you also want to clip this $4 cash back for your Bounty paper towels. At the old systems, this is glitching and you're able to get the $3 off coupon and the $4 cash back. Normally, you're not able to do that, but the system is glitching and allowing you to do that. But again, it's only at the old stores. I'm going to tell you, if you go to a new system store, it's a hit or miss. It may work and it may not work. But I want to show you guys something else. There's also an offer to, it's an instant offer, store offer. When you spend $25, you're going to save $5 on P&G, Puffs, Bounty, and Charmin items. Now, guys, this instant offer is the same as this digital coupon offer. So, in my opinion, this right here is a glitch. I don't believe Dollar General meant to give us the digital coupon as the same thing as an instant savings. So we're going to take advantage of this. If I were you, I would go do this deal as soon as possible, because at any time they can stop that instant savings, and at any time they could pull that digital coupon. So make sure you take advantage of it now while they have it. So I would say run. This is a run glitch deal. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to put these Bounty paper towels into my cart. So we're at $9.50, right? All right, so now I'm going to grab another thing of Bounty paper towels, but it's going to be a smaller pack. I'm going to grab, oh God, I'm knocking stuff over. I'm going to grab this pack right here, which is the 2 = 4. This is a smaller pack, and I'm going to scan it to show you guys that it still attaches to the deal that we're trying to do. So I don't know why the price isn't coming up on this. Hold on, guys. Okay, so you see these are $3.50. And you see there's a 50-cent digital coupon that attaches. I'm going to click that because I want to use that. But then you will also see that it does attach to the spend 30, get $8 back. And it also attaches to the spend 25 and get $5 off. And there's your instant offer. Save $5 when you spend $25 on select P&G Puffs, Bounty, and Charmin. So we're going to add this to our cart. So $9.50 and $3.50. We're now at $13. So we need $12 more to get to our $25 threshold so that we could take advantage of the dumb glitch that Dollar General has brought upon us. All right, guys. So the next thing I'm going to grab me some Charmin toilet paper, and I'm going to get these Mega Plus rolls. They are $10.50, and you can get any of the Charmin though, just like you can get any of the Bounty. Like I said, you have to do the deal that is best for you. Whatever suits your budget, whatever suits your family, what's best for you guys. So I'm going to grab this Charmin, okay? This Charmin is $10.50. And hold on, I did have it up on my phone. I want to show it to you on the app. So when I scan it, a 50-cent digital coupon attaches. You see the $8 for spending 30 attaches, the 5 off 25. And again, there's the instant 5 off of 25. So I'm going to grab this. So we're still not quite at our $25. We have $3.50, $10.50, and $9.50. So we're at $23.50, right? So I need another $1.50. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to grab one box of these puffs, the puff cubes. Doesn't matter which ones you get. And they are $2. So that will bring us to our $25 threshold. It'll actually take us over 50 cents. You see, they're $2. Now, there is a digital coupon for 25 cents. And so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to clip that. So that's going to only be really $1.75. But you see there's the $8. There's the $5. And then you see again, there's the 5 off 25. So let me show you the 4 items that we're going to get. Okay, there's our Puffs Cube. There's our Charmin. There's our Big Bounty. And then here's our small Bounty. Let me put it like this so you guys can see it. So those are the 4 items that we're going to get. So let's head up to the register and pay for it. Then I'm going to come back and I'm going to review my receipt with you guys. So guys, this is everything that we're going to get today. The Big Bounty, the smaller Bounty, the cube of puffs, and the Charmin toilet paper. Okay, guys, so we are back in the car. Let's go over our receipt. But before we do, just something else. Now, this spend 30, get $8 back. I was just telling you guys about that coupon. If you wanted to get your total up to the $30 or use this, I'm not using this for this deal because I wasn't getting my total up to that. I'm actually going to save this $8 off for when I do my laundry deal. But as far as the deal that we did with the Charmin and the Bounty, everything worked out just fine. So here you see I have the Bounty Essentials that were $3.50. And where you see that store discount, that is going to add up to $10 because that is going to be the $5 off instant savings we got for spending $25, and then the $5 off 25 store coupon. So you see the store discount of 70 cents and 70 cents, but there's the 50-cent digital coupon. There's the Bounty 6 count for $9.50, the 2 store discounts, and the $3 digital coupon. There's the Puffs for $2, the store discount twice, and then the 25-cent digital coupon. And then there's the Charmin for $10.50. You see the store discounts and then the 50-cent digital coupon. My total was $11.25. Now, you know we don't discuss tax and all of that, so I'm not going to even go into that because everyone's is different in every city, township, borough, and state. So the total is $11.25. So it's $11.25, but it gets even better, guys, because don't forget, I got the $4 cash back. And there you see it earned right there. And I'm going to push this button so you can see it's actually for what I got. Okay, so then that brings this total down to just $7.25 for 2 things of Bounty, a Charmin, and a thing of Puffs. So I hope you guys are able to go out and do the deal. Come back and let me know how you made out. And until the next time, keep on saving.